Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's one we're going to be talking about what is going to be the appreciation and the rental yields when it comes to Damac Riverside Phase 2, the Capri cluster very specifically speaking. Okay, now we're going to be looking at a couple of tables today. I'm going to get a little bit mathematical, but mathematical for the right reasons. Okay, now as you know, the one beds is starting at roughly 1 million dirhams, okay? And the two beds is around about 1.92 million dirhams, okay? Double the price. Now, we're going to be looking at a couple of numbers in terms of what can the growth look like over the course of the next 10 years, okay? And of course, if it's 5 years, you can just kind of half the number if you would like, okay? Now, what I've done here is that you can probably see the table up on the screen. We're going to be looking at 3%, 5% and 7%. So 3% is the worst case scenario. 5% in this case is what I'm saying is what the basic is going to be in terms of appreciation. And 7% is what is going to be in the best case scenario. Now guys, as you know, in Dubai right now, appreciation is usually around about 7 to 10%. That is the number that they always tell you. That's the number that all the brokers are telling you right now. So what I've done is I'm not saying 10%, I'm saying the worst case in that estimate that they give, that predicament, 7 to 10%. I'm just saying 7% because I want to be more conservative, the worst case figure. Okay, so let's look at the one bed. So let's say you have brought the one bed at 1 million. And in 10 years, what can that number look like? So 3% over the course of 10 years, we're looking at 1.3 million. So you've added about 300,000 dirhams to your investment. But if it's 5%, which is the market's going average, 1.6 million. So you've added about 600k to your investment. That's not a bad return on money you've done. And if it's over the course of 10 years, you've made about 1.9 million at the 7%. So you've doubled your investment in 10 years. And of course, if it's 5 years, you can just kind of half those numbers. So, 150k profit for the first one for 3%, 5%, remember 300k, and 5 years again for the 10 years, 7%, sorry, 450k. Not bad. It's not actually bad if you think about it in terms of the appreciation, but that's what the numbers look like there, okay? Now let's look at the two beds. The two beds, again, you're purchasing at around about 1.9 million, 2 million dirhams, and the course over, 10 years, 3%, 5% and 7%. For the 3%, 2.5 million. Again, it's a 600k increase there. Not bad. It's actually a very good investment choice there over the course of 10 years at 5%, 3 million. So again, almost 1 million, 1.1, 1.2 million has been added to your investment. That's a very good return on cash there. And of course, if the market is performing really well at the top end, 7 to 10%, 3.7 million. So again, you're almost doubled your investment for the two beds. So guys, why am I showing you this? I'm getting questions in terms of what the growth looks like, the appreciation. This is what the numbers are showing us, okay? 3% is the worst case scenario. So if you're going to invest in this project and you want to know what is the worst case scenario, it's 3%. And if you're telling me what is the best case scenario, 7 to 10%. So you're looking at numbers over 2 million or 4 million in terms of return, as it shows in the table. So now you've got both ends of the spectrum. If you're saying, hey, Sam, show me the worst case, the middle case scenario, you've got the 5%, which is smack bang in the middle. Okay? So now you know exactly what to expect for these for this area. Now look guys, there is going to be a huge amount of investment happening in this area. So most likely you're going to expect the number from 5% to 10%. Somewhere in that ballpark. We don't know what it's going to be, but that's what we can say for certain what it's going to look like. Okay. Now, let's go over to the next table, which is the rental. Okay, this is important, the rental yields. Okay, now for the one beds, we're going to be looking at, you can see a set of figures here. Conservative, basic, and optimistic. Again, conservative, basic, optimistic for the two beds and the one beds. The reason why I've done this is I want you guys to know exactly, in the best, scenario, in the worst case scenario, what you could do. Again, for the one, we'll just look at the basics, what the middle one shows you. Okay, one bed, basic, 1 million, as you know what it is. 80,000 to 90,000 is going to be what your annual rent is, so around about 7,000 dirhams per month. Okay, that's what you can expect. Two beds, basic, right in the middle. Again, I would say 140 to 160k. Almost 14 to 15,000 dirhams per month. So, with that said, the numbers are there. That's what the prediction looks like. There's nothing more to it. So, the market can perform in the best case scenario. That's what you could expect, the optimistic value. If the market performs terribly, you can do the conservative. And in the same case for the appreciation, 3% versus the 7 to 10%. Really, what it comes down to, okay, that's what the numbers are showing. What is the surrounding potential? Well, number one, Riverside is got the Maktoum International Airport, Dubai Marina in the north, Expo City, Palm Jumeirah, and a huge amount of construction and investment that's happening from the Dubai government. What that basically means, that when it comes to investment, Damac Riverside is the most promising investment that you can make, safe investment that you can make, because at these prices, it's extremely good. It's an exceptionally good value to get in that. Now, we could get looking at more detailed statistics, but I think at the high level, this is all what you guys need at this moment in time. There's nothing more than you need. If you're looking to invest in this and you're looking for a trusted broker that can actually take you and pick the best units, go for my strategy, 24% down payment and select the unit, number one. Number two, if you're selecting one bed units, it's absolutely fine, but my recommendation, go for a 2-bedroom unit, corner unit, pool facing. That's what I recommend. You'll be paying around about the 2 million mark, which is absolutely fine. But these units will be sold out fast, and they'll give you the highest rental and appreciation values. And the market when it comes to renting in Riverside is very clear. The people that are working in the airport, the people that are working in Jebel Ali, the people that are working in Dubai Expo City, those people will be renting out those units, or potentially even buying the units off you. Okay, so guys, if you want a trusted broker to support you in this, look no further. Drop me a message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp details are in the link in the description below. Let's have a conversation. Let's see what we can do when it comes to an investment for Damac Riverside Phase 2 Capri Cluster. Okay, and let's not forget, fantastic payment plan of £500 per month, $700 per month, and you can't really go wrong with this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you're notified of all my videos I'm publishing on a daily and weekly basis. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching.